If you think AI agents are just overhyped concepts but still find yourself captivated by every technological breakthrough, eagerly awaiting the next big thing, then MANUS AI undoubtedly deserves your undivided attention. This isn't just another run-of-the-mill chatbot, it's something far more ambitious. It represents China's bold and determined leap into the realm of truly autonomous intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So what exactly sets MANUS AI apart from the crowd? What makes it so special? Unlike most AI agents that serve as mere assistants, MANUS isn't just a tool designed for specific tasks. It's a fully realized autonomous system meticulously designed to independently solve complex problems, proactively make critical decisions, and seamlessly collaborate with human counterparts in real time, enhancing productivity and innovation. Built from the ground up by a dedicated team of China's most brilliant and experienced engineers, MANUS leverages the power of advanced machine learning algorithms to deeply understand context, intelligently adapt to ever-changing situations, and flawlessly execute even the most complex and demanding tasks, all without the need for constant and direct human oversight. But here's what truly sets it apart and makes it a game-changer. MANUS AI isn't confined to theoretical discussions or laboratory experiments. It's already being actively integrated into critical sectors like manufacturing, logistics operations, and even revolutionizing financial services across the diverse markets of Asia, significantly optimizing complex processes and delivering tangible, measurable results that previously demanded massive teams and months of painstaking effort. For forward-thinking tech professionals and industry leaders, it offers an exclusive sneak peek at the exciting future of autonomous workforces. Faster, smarter, and operating tirelessly, always on. So whether you're actively involved in building the next groundbreaking AI product, or simply keeping a close watch on the ever-evolving future of work, MANUS AI is undoubtedly one name you'll want to remember and keep a close eye on. Stay tuned, because this is just the very beginning of a technological revolution.